My name is Marcina and I'm a service learner from California State University, Monterey Bay, volunteering here at the Monterey County Free Libraries. Today I'm going to be showing you a recipe called the yogurt bread. It's a very simple recipe that you could use in terms of dessert making, so I really hope you enjoy it. Hi everyone, so we are going to start off on our yogurt bread. So initially your first step would be to add some yogurt. Now I chose to use this product because it already comes with vanilla extract in it, but if you prefer to use fresh vanilla extract you could. I'm going to be making for about 2 servings, so I would take about 2 spoons of this. Once you're done, you crack an egg. And this is the part where you would normally add the vanilla extract, but since I already stated why I'm not using it here, we're gonna jump to the next part, which is a pinch of cinnamon powder. Don't want it to get too rich, so. And then your final step would be some maple syrup. Okay, and once this has been added, make sure you stir it. Look at that. There's something so satisfying about it, you know. So it's left up to you if you'd like to add more yogurt to it. But I feel this should be enough for how many slices I plan to make. Okay, now that we set our oven to preheat for about 10 minutes, we're going to start off on our toast. So I chose to use wheat bread. You can also substitute it with white bread if you want. And basically, before you begin, make sure you press your bread down so that way you know has space for where you want to put your mix in. Okay. It's the same process here. Once you're done, you could add fruits. The best type of fruits for this would be berries. If you would prefer, you can also add grapes. It tastes really good with grapes too. Make sure your oven is set at 355 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows the bread to bake at that 12-minute mark. So this is 12 minutes after we baked the bread. So it turned out to be this way. What I'm going to do now is I chose to add banana at the last minute. And there you have it. That's your yogurt bread. I really hope you liked the recipe. I hope you try it out as well. So thank you everyone for watching. Take care, enjoy, and have fun. Bye bye.